Hello, I'm Miss Universe, and today I'm going to take you on a journey through outer space. 6B have been learning about the solar system. We've particularly enjoyed learning about the planets. We have 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Today, we would like to share some of what we have learnt about these planets with you. Mercury. The first planet we're going to introduce to you today is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It has no moons. No moons. Mercury was named after Hermes, the messenger god, because it is the fastest planet to orbit the Sun in our solar system. Thank you, Mercury. Venus. Now, if the Miss Universe title has to go to anyone else other than me, it's Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. It is known as Earth's twin because they are similar in size, but everyone knows that Venus is the hotter twin. Venus was named after Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty. Thank you, Venus. Earth. Earth is the planet we are most familiar with because it's the one we inhabit. Earth has one moon that orbits it. Sadly, Earth is the one planet that not to be named after a god or goddess. Its name literally means dirt. Rude.
We interrupt this program for an emergency weather update. The Earth is getting hotter because of climate change.
Thank you, Earth and Fraser. Mars. Mars is the last of the terrestrial planets. It is named after Ares, the god of war. Its two moons, Phobos and Deimos, are named after Ares' war horses that fought his chariot in battle. Their names translate to panic and fear. Mars is red in colour because it is covered in rust particles. Over to Fraser for a quick weather report.
Checking in for a weather report. Mars experiences terrible dust storms. Sometimes these dust storms are so extreme they cover the entire planet. Thanks, Mars. And over to you, Miss Universe.
Thank you, Fraser, and what a great fact. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and is the first of the gas giants. It was named after Zeus, the king of the gods.
King of the gods!
Over to Fraser for another quick weather report.
Next time you have a bad pimple day, think of Jupiter. See this large red spot? Well, it's actually a gigantic storm. Its winds can reach up to 435 kilometers per hour. Thank you, Jupiter, and back to you, Miss Universe.
Thank you, Fraser. Saturn. Saturn is another gas giant and is most famous for its rings. which are actually made of ice. Some say that God liked it, so he put a ring on it. It was named after Kronos, the god of agriculture. Saturn is so dense that if there was enough water in the solar system, it would float in it. Thank you, Saturn. This is the gas giant we enjoyed learning about the most and has become the butt of many jokes in 6 feet. Yes, I'm talking about Uranus. Uranus was named after Caelus, the god of the sky. According to myth, he was the father of Saturn. Hey, Daddy! And grandfather of Jupiter. Uranus is actually tilted on its side because one day it was apparently hit by something like an asteroid and knocked over.
Oh, that was good.
It also has rings that are made out of dust, ice boulders and chunks. Mr. Selwood, did you know that Uranus is so big it could fit 63 Earths inside it? Neptune. Neptune is the last of the gas giants and is also the furthest planet from the sun.
Hello from the other side! I must have called it
It has 14 moons, which are also named after various sea gods and nymphs from Greek mythology. It was named after Poseidon, the god of the sea, because the planet is a deep sea blue colour. It also has rings surrounding it, but they are not as obvious as Saturn's because they are thinner and darker. Thank you, Neptune. So, these are the 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Thank you, planets. Thank you for listening to our presentation.